Dear students, once again I welcome you all for your today's online session English. Children, hope you would stay safe and healthy. Children, would you like listening the class through the online? Are you fed up with the mobile phones, laptops or the computers? Are you enjoying learning through all these things? Yes. So, assess yourself how far you could understand the subjects. If you can't understand the class, please go through the video once again and try to understand the subjects that we are sending it through online. Yes, today's class we are going to see the supplementary lesson from Unit 2, The Fun They Had. The Fun They Had is a science fiction, tells a story of two young children named Tommy and Margie who lived in the year 2157. Dear children, do you know how the future school will be? Yes, now itself you are familiar with your studies learning through mobile phone, computers and laptop, isn't it? If it continues like this, how this future school will be? The classroom will be a virtual classroom and the teachers will be a robotic teacher and you will learn through computers. And you cannot see the books in the form of printed. Instead, you will learn through the e-printed form of books, isn't it? Imagine how it would be. So with this simple imagination, let us get into the today's lesson. Tommy and Margie were the students who belonged to the year 2157. Tommy found a book, and that it was a real book. Real book in the sense, book which has more pages, many colorful letters and colorful pictures. So Tommy found that book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. The pages of the book was yellow and crinkly and it was awfully funny to read words. It stood still instead of moving. Tommy thought it was merely a waste of time to go through the book. They can learn through their television screen which had millions of books. Tommy and Margie hate school. You know why? Tommy was 13 years old and whereas Margie was 11 years old. They were the students of 2157. They are learning through the computers. Their teacher was not a real teacher, she was a mechanical teacher, a robotic teacher. Margie's teacher was a mechanical teacher. She had been giving Margie test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse. See, dear children, if a robotic teacher is taking the class means, would you like it? Would you understand it? Yes. You can't sometimes you can't understand and you can't interact with the teacher like a real teacher. So that's the difference between the mechanical teacher and the real teacher. With the real teacher you can interact and clear your doubts, whereas with the mechanical teacher you can't, because the mechanical teacher is like a robotic teacher. She used to teach what was programmed in the screen. So the mechanical teacher giving Margie test after test and she had been performing worse and worse. So Margie's mother was little worried and she took the mechanical teacher and Margie to the county inspector. The county inspector was a round little man with a red face and a whole box tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. He took the teacher apart. She made some adjustment in the mechanical teacher and she said that And the county inspector informed Mrs. Jones, that is Margie's mother, by stating that nothing to worry, and the geography teacher was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. So the county inspector informed Margie's mother that he had slowed it up to an average 10 years old, 10 years level. So hereafter it will be all right. So Margie was little disappointed, and the mechanical teacher becomes all right. She become very slow in her teaching, and Margie was expected that he would be relaxed. She would be relaxed for some time in the absence of a mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher was going on taking the class, but Margie, without listening the class, she thought about the old school. How the old school would be. A teacher would be a real teacher, and the students, many students will be in the classroom. So she thought about it. She read about all these things from the old book which she had took it from the attic. Attic means a old part of a room. She thought about how a teacher, how a human be a teacher, how she could control the class. The entire class, boys and girls will be filled in the class, how the teacher could control it. Both Tommy and Margie were discussed about this. Tommy said, "You stupid fellow, it was not a kind of a school which we had now. We had a school at home itself, but in those days there was a separate building for a school where the boys and girls used to assemble in the classroom. A human being, human might be a teacher, and she used to take the class and giving homework and assignments, and they used to question the children." So Margie was little surprised how the teacher could manage it, and she couldn't bear the mechanical teacher who is visiting to her house very often. And the classroom is allotted for Tommy and Margie. The classroom was allotted in a part of her house room. So the Margie and Tommy were instructed by their mom that the mechanical teacher was ready for their class. So they were seated in the class. The mechanical teacher lighted up the light, and she started to uh, take the class and started to give the assignment. But Margie thought about the old school where the children were gathered and they used to have fun and gaiety. How lovely it would be, the schoolyard. She thought about the schoolyard where the children going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. When the mechanical teacher was taking the class, Margie thought about the old school and the children's fun, and the teacher were the people. She was very much impressed by that the teacher would be a real teacher. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen by teaching the arithmetics, adding fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So, dear children, the lesson tells us that how the future school would be. Young girl happened to read a book, read about an old school from a book. So she thought for a while how nice would be if the school is like an old school. So that is described in this lesson. Children, I hope you would understand the story. Thank you.